Hi guys, welcome to this session in Google Sheets. What I want to show you in this module is how you can create an automatic numbered list. So when you add an item, it automatically gets the next number in a list. And to do that, I'm going to use the sequence function, and I'll start in cell G1 just so I'm in the middle. So equals sequence, open the bracket. So when you have the sequence there, the first thing it wants is the rows. Now I want this to automatically number, so I'm going to use the count A function inside this sequence function. So count A, and I want it to count column H. Closing that bracket and closing the sequence bracket for now. Press enter on that. Now I get a number error, but if I do type something in this cell, that will start numbering. As you can see there. However, if you don't want to see that error message, so if I come off that and go back onto this one, I can put if error around that. If error, I don't want it to do anything at the end there, so I'm going to do a comma, quote, quote, close the bracket, press enter on that, and then it doesn't actually show anything until I put a word or anything in H1. And then as I come down the list, you can see it's automatically numbering the list for each item. So that's the sequence function to create a sequence, and then with the count A to know how many to count. So it's counting that there are 4 items there. That's why that's going to a 4. So when you do that, I've selected the whole column, but you could just select a range, and then it would just count in that range if there's any items in there. So if you're going to use the count A functions, make sure there's nothing underneath. But that's all I want to talk about in this little video: how to use the sequence function with the count A to get an automatic numbered list, an automatically numbering list. So thank you for your time. I'll catch you in the next one.